Good morning, everyone. See, team, in the last session, we discussed some to-care function, to-care, to-date, to-number, right? So these are yesterday's session we completed, and also we discussed some examples related to to-date and to-care, and implicit conversions also we discussed, guys. Right now, uh, now to convert. To convert, yes, you can give 21st October 1999. Okay, try to check. So this is your employee table, guys. Now here, select to underscore date of 21st October 1999. Comma is similar to DD space MON space YYYY from here. Format is not matched. Okay. 21st October 1999. So we are giving DDTH, right? This is the formula, na? DDTH hyphen first three characters of the month, MON and YYYY. Okay. Okay, I will check and inform. Okay. Right. Now, guys, so to convert number to character format, we know already to care function to convert date to number or date to character format. Now we did to convert number to character format also. Number to character format. So how it is right now, we discuss. Okay. So see, to underscore char function can convert number to char data type also. One see example, guys. One example. Suppose here we have that one number is there. This is my number. I want to display 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to display. This is a number. This number I want to display with the rupees spices format. Rupees and spices format. So in between numbers, we want to place some comma and dot also. Suppose here we have something. I want to display dot also. So comma, dot, both are characters, special characters. So in between numbers, if you want to place comma or something, so compulsory, this number you should be convert into character format compulsory, guys. Okay, that is compulsory. So how it is? Select to underscore char of. So this is my number, guys. 1234.89. I want to display in this format. So 9,99.99. These are the format only. It is not a number, guys. It is a format. See here. 1,234.89. Okay, guys. Right. Same like in our employee table also, guys. So to convert salaries. To convert employee salaries. How to convert these employee salaries? Observe this same in our database table. In our database table, the employee salary is a number data type. And all those salaries are like here 1250, 2975, 1258, 2850, something. So I want to display with rupees spices format this information. So select employee number, e-name, job, salary. Is a normal salary. To underscore char of salary, comma, column name, salary, comma, which format you want to display? 9,99.99. Comma DEPT and from EMP. But see, guys, suppose right now all salaries are in less than 10,000. So that's why here I given only 9 comma. The salaries are contained 10,000, 11,000 means we can add one more 9 here. If it is 1 lakh, add one more 9. Okay, guys? Means based on the number of digits, we can declare that number of 9s here. These 2 9s are belongs to spices. If the spices are there, are no problem. If you're not there, 0 0 displays. If it is there, the corresponding spices information it displays. But this is the format, guys. This is the format. Observe this. Right or wrong? So this is the query, sir. To underscore char also converts number to character format. That is right. But one guy asking, sir, I want to display. Actually, these are the employee salaries. Now, I want to display before that currency. He want to display currency symbol. He want to display. Okay, guys. So then what we can do, guys? What we can do? So now see, to display currency symbols. First, this is called as number formats. We can call what you call, guys, number formats. First one is, guys, L represented local currency symbol it displays. It displays local currency symbol it displays. C, L, I write down. Either small or capital. C, dollar displays. Dollar. Because by default, it is fixed to US dollars. By default, the software is fixed to, by default, US dollars. Because they developed this application, right or wrong? They developed the databases. That's right. Okay. Next one is C. Returns local currency name. Local currency name, guys. Here I give the C. USD, US dollars. USD means US dollars. In India, what we call INR. INR means Indian rupees. Indian rupees, right? Now here, this is the US dollars. Okay, guys. So the next one is yes, sir. What is the meaning of yes? Returns sign symbol, guys. SAGN, sign symbol. So plus or minus. This is the plus or minus. If it is positive salary, returns plus, sir. If it is negative salary, returns a minus. Returns a minus. That is. Positive salary means always displays plus, plus, plus. If it is negative, minus, minus, it displays. Right, sir? US dollars displays. Okay, fine. But I won't display currency with the Indian rupees format, sir. Then what we can do? Okay, now here to convert currency from one country to another country, one country to another country, to convert currency from one country to another country, what we can do? Alter session, set NLS territory equal to country name you can give, India. Alter session means here what I executed. Here what I executed, that is here. Session means in this session only, in this session only, in this session only, it is changed to India. But by default, America, guys, by default, America, in this login session only changed to India. Once you exit, then what happens? Once you exit, then what happens, guys? Again, it becomes America. Okay. After that, here you write down local currency, rupees, INR, it displays. Right now, this is the temporary guides for reporting purpose only. If you want to generate reports like rupees, if you want to display, simply we can say, first execute this one, next execute this. Understand, guys? This is example. Okay. Right. Not only to India, sir, to convert it into any country, you can convert. Here, for example, here I'm converting into Japan. Japan here I use JPY. This is Japan symbol. Japan currency symbol is this is the Japan currency symbol. Okay, guys. Right. So these are the some 2_char function to convert number to character. Okay, guys. These are all of them. Right. These are the total 3 types of conversion functions: to char, to date, and to number. Next, 4th type of functions are general functions. This is the last SQL built-in functions. Last SQL built-in functions. General functions. These functions are applicable for any data types. These functions are applicable for any data types. It is applicable. Right. Now, generally number function supports only numeric values, right? Character function supports only character values. But these functions are supports any data types. The first one is greatest function. This function returns greatest value from given list of values. See, example. Select greatest of 10, 20, 30, 40. Which is the greatest, guys? Which is the greatest? 40 is the greatest. 40 is the greatest. 40 is the greatest. Okay. But what is the difference between max and greatest? What is the difference, guys? Max and greatest. So max, it is a single argument function. Okay, it is a single argument function. Select max of sal from EM. Yes, 5000 displays. Yes, exactly. So now I try to pass 100, 200. Is it valid? Yes, exactly, Sailisha. That is. So select max of 100, 200. Here we got error. I think in interview questions it is there, right? This is also one of the interview questions, sir. Returns now invalid number of arguments. You will get one error message. Okay, guys. What about the greatest now? Multi-argument. But greatest also returns single value, also returns single argument also supported. Suppose greatest of 10. How much? 10 only. Because there is another value to compare. Right or wrong? If any other value, then it compares. If it is greatest, then displays, or else second one is displays. Right or wrong? So greatest is the multi-argument function generally. Multi-argument function. But single argument also executed, no problem. Suppose in your class, you are only one of the student. Suppose you got the marks out of 100, you got marks 45. What is the first rank? You are the first rank. Because you are only one person in your class. How much you are getting now? That is the first rank. That is 90, 80, 45, 30, what it may be. It also same like this. Okay, na? Generally, if you want to find the greatest value, guys, compulsory, once you pass more than one argument, then it is better to find out. Okay, na? Right. Next one is least. Least. Here I remove the greatest here. Okay, greatest here I write down, na? Max we write down. Na? Okay, least. It returns least value. Same like, guys. Same like. Least means least value. For this least now, here I am passing right now. Least of 10, 20, 30, 40. 10 is the least. Now, here I am passing C, C, D, CD, BCD, ABCD. Guys, which is the least? D, CD, BCD, ABCD, which is the least, guys? Max, what we are saying, D is the least. Because D contains a single character. D contains a single character. But see, now it displays ABCD, sir. Okay? That is. Why it displays ABCD? Means if you are comparing any characters now, here it is not comparing number of characters. Okay, na? Internet is comparing ASCII codes. ASCII values it is comparing. Not only for this list now, to use either greatest, between, greater than, less than, to compare any operator by using character values internally. Internally, it is comparing ASCII codes. Small a ASCII code is 97. First is taking first characters, it is comparing. If all first characters are same, then control goes to second character. Right or wrong? Now, A is the first character 97, 98, 100, 101. Which is the least? 97 is the least. That's why it displays least value. Okay, guys. This is the example. Yes, Saurabh. Finally, see, finally, what is the difference between min and, max and greatest means simple. Both are written single value. Finally, both are written single value. Max is comparing multiple values. Multiple values it is comparing and return single value output. Greatest is comparing multiple arguments, multiple argument values. Value is different, argument is different. Okay, na? Argument means you can pass number of values in the greatest. So we know group functions, min, max, sum, average, count, standard deviation, variance. So all these group functions are single argument functions, not multiple arguments. If you are passing more than one value, then more than one argument, we got error. Select min of, again, we got error. Yes. Okay, guys. Sort of understand, na? So min, max, sum, average, all are except only single argument. Right. And Saliza, here, how we displace this ABCD means, here, just now what I discussed, it is not comparing number of characters in each argument. It is not comparing number of arguments in each argument. So number of values in each argument or number of characters in each argument. It is not comparing like. It is taking D. What the D ASCII value? 100. C ASCII value? 99, 98, 97. Which is the least? 97, 98, 99, 100. Which is the least? 97 is the least. So it displays ABCD. What is the 97? Is a ASCII value, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is, it is not comparing character wise. First, it is comparing from each argument, it is taking the first characters first. Suppose if all arguments first character is A, then it is taking the second character. Just like our dictionary. Our dictionary. How we are searching dictionary? If you try to find any word definition, same like here also, same like. Here also data is comparing in this way. Okay. That's why here you will get ABCD is the output. Right. Next, user. It returns currently connected username. It returns currently connected username. Right. Yes, Saurabh, if you want to find that maximum salary employee number, then we try to use subqueries topic. Okay, na? Yes, there also you can use max, but subqueries are required. Suppose in the organization we have 14 employees are there. I want to find the maximum salary employee record. By using subquery, it is possible. We discuss later one by one. Okay. Right. Now, select user from real. It returns currently connected username. Select user from real. How much returns? ORE 7 AM. Right now, I log into my 7 AM. UID returns currently connected user ID. That is called user identification number. Select UID from real. 48 is a UID. 48 is the UID. That is right, guys. Next one is distinct function. DISTINCT. Or that function distinct. We know already we discussed distinct function means used to eliminate eliminates duplicate values and returns unique data. See, in the organization, the employees are working in different departments, guys. Suppose I have 10,000. I have 10,000 records are there, but I want to find out exactly what are the departments are available. The employees are exactly working in which departments I want to display. The employees are working in which department exactly I want to display. Then so exact employees are working in 3 departments only. Okay. An example. Write a query to display. The employees are working exactly which departments in employee. This is. And also, one of the question is general question is there. Write a query to display unique mobile numbers, or write a query to display to remove duplicate mobile numbers. Means they give one column. In entries they give one column. In that column, these are mobile numbers. Suppose assume that these are the mobile numbers. Suppose what they're asking in this column we have mobile numbers of duplicates are there, but I want to display unique mobile numbers only. We want to remove these duplicates. We want to remove exactly unique mobile numbers I want to display. Then what we can do? So same you can apply. Select distinct of mobile number from completed, guys. Only unique mobile numbers are displayed. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5. Then okay. Okay, guys. Right. Next one is NVL function, sir. It is also the important function NVL. NVL used to perform arithmetic operations by using nulls or to replace nulls with specified values. That is to replace nulls with specified values. This is called as NVL. We try to use null value. See one example. First of all, the syntax. For this function syntax, you should be learned, guys. NVL of expression 1, comma expression 2. Expression 1, comma expression 2. That is so example. If expression 1 is null, then expression 2 is evaluated. Otherwise, expression 1 output. If expression 1 is null, then expression 2 is evaluated. Otherwise, expression 1 output. Read this, guys. Read this sentence. If expression 1 is null, then expression 2 is evaluated. Otherwise, expression 1 output. If this expression 1 is null, this one is executed, guys. Or it contains something value, then that value is taken. See one example. Select NVL of null comma 200. NVL of 100 comma 200 from real. What is the output? Here first argument is null. Then what is evaluated? Second argument is evaluated 200. Here first argument is null? No. Then it is taken 100 only. Observe this, 200, 100. Here first value is null, then 200 is executed. But here first value is not null. Something value is there. The same value is taken. This is, guys. Yes. Yes, that's why what I hear. Otherwise, expression on output. What the expression output? This is. Otherwise means if expression 1 is not null, then expression 1 is the output. Only if it is null, then only 2 is executed. That is the meaning, guys. Understand, huh? What is output right now here? If expression 1 is null, expression 2 is executed. Expression 1 is null, expression 2 is executed. Otherwise means expression 1 is not a null. Then expression output displays. That one only displays. Okay. That is. See one example. Write a query to perform, to display each employee, to display each employee experience. Sorry, to display each employee net salary. Net salary equal to salary plus commission. That is called net salary. Okay. Salary plus commission equal to net salary, guys. So here I'm writing select employee number, employee name, salary, commission, salary plus commission as net sal. This is the alias DEPTNO from EMP. Now, employee number, name, salary 800, commission is null. 800 plus null. How much? Null. 16 plus 300, 1900. 1250 plus 500, 1750. 2975 plus null, null. That is called to perform any arithmetic operation by using nulls. Output also becomes null, guys. But see here, if any employee is not getting commission, then what I want to display? Salary only. Right or wrong? If employee is getting the commission, then I want to sum. Not getting, I want to display 800. Okay? Right. But here, If you want to display 800, how it becomes 800? How it displays 800, guys? Any logic? How it displays 800 here? How it displays 800 here, guys? Means 800 plus when the commission value is 0. See here. 1500 plus 0 is how much? 1500, na? Means in place of commission, if any nulls are there, in place nulls, I want to place 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, guys, that is. How to place the 0? By using NVL function, it is possible. So, see guys, NVL of commission comma 0. If any time commission is null, takes the 0. Okay, Prashant Kumar, that is also good. What you are writing, that is also wrong. Because our current intention is commission. We are checking the commission value is null or not. Right or wrong? Okay, na? So commission is null. What it is taking? 0 is taking. If anybody is getting the commission, commission is taking. Right or wrong? This is. See here, the first commission is null, right? So then takes a 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is. Okay, guys. This is the example, guys. This is a NVL function, main functionality. Okay, na? That is. This is a NVL function. See here. To perform any arithmetic operations. To perform any arithmetic operations by using nulls. Output also nulls. How it is? See here. Select null star 10. Null by 10. Null minus 10. Null plus 10. Or else null from real. Here, null star 10 null. Null by 100 null. Null minus 10 null. 120 star 3. That means 360. 360 minus null. Again output is null. Observe this. Always output becomes null. This is a null main functionality. Null means nothing. It is not equal to 0, not equal to space. Also, we discussed already. 0 means it's a value. Right or wrong? Space also is a value, but null is an uncomparable value. Null is an uncomparable value. So, in this scenario, because we don't know, sir, we don't know exactly, because in organizations, all employees are not getting commission, right? Only sales, generally the salesmen, sales executives are getting the commission. Managers, clerks are not getting because they are in office only, right? Sales executive, they are going to outside. Okay, this is that. And also this null we are using in different places. We are using this NVL function. And for this NVL function also, we have one more function is the extension NVL2 is there. NVL2 also is there. NVL2. annual 2 also is there. Okay. Right now, annual is accepted 2 arguments, annual to accept 3 arguments. Okay. We discuss later because once now we discuss now, you're confusing because the definitions are similar. Okay, we discuss later about this. Okay, we have separate document is there. At that time, we discuss annual to code sec, decode, case, temporary tables. All will discuss later. Okay, fine. Next one is guys, soundex function. Soundex. Soundex is a function. Now, this function used to compare the data based on given pronunciation. This function used to compare the data based on given pronunciation, that is based on the given pronunciation. Right. See one example. Write a query to display Smith employee record. How to write this query? Select start from EMP where ename equal to Smith. But here you will get no row selected. Why no row selected? Because data is a case sensitive. Data is a case sensitive. Because inside the table, your data is available in capital letters, but you are comparing small. Right here, we can easily find out. You can display output. Same like you are passing this Smith in front-end application. In the front-end application, I entered an employee name. I click on the search button. Or you get any record? Nothing. You don't know exactly in backend how the data stores. You don't know because you are a end user. You are not a developer. You are an end user. You are giving different inputs. Okay, then output is not coming. Or else in backend they are giving they are inserting data Smith SMIT only. SMIT only in backend data stores. But in front-end application, I am checking SMIT, SMI. Next one is SMITH. I am checking. Nothing. We got error. Nothing will get the message record. We are searching with different methods, but you didn't get any output. Or after searching 3 or 4 or 5 times, then you will get the output. Okay, that is also possible. But here, what happens now? Number of searches are going on. If you find a particular employee record, if you want to search, so we'll take 4 to 5 times searching is going on. Finally, we get the output. But we don't know exactly each employee stores in which format. This is the problem, guys. First thing. At that time, we try to use Soundex. Soundex is comparing the data not like exactly characters, not compares exactly formats, sir. Exactly format, exactly characters means nothing, you will get the output, right or wrong. But Soundex function, it compares the data. It compares the data based on the pronunciation. Means so, how to call Smith, right or wrong? That pronunciation, what you are talking, the pronunciation, that pronunciation is taking Smith. Same, similar, if any employee names are there, similar names with the same pronunciation, all are displayed. Then you can find out which employee record you want. Okay, na? So once you use this soundx function, we have some advantages are there. First one is number of searchings we can reduce, first of all. Second thing is we don't know exact in backend how the data stores in which spelling it stores. Because if you take American words, then what happens, guys? Some letters are silent. We don't know exactly the spelling of the corresponding employee. You know, you know what the employee name, how to call, but you don't know exactly spelling. At the time also, our soundx is very useful. Okay. Now, soundx of soundx is freedom. From employee table, each and every employee pronunciation is taking. Okay. Then pronunciation is exactly equal to what you are passing here. Soundx of what is the pronunciation of this one? Smith. Right or wrong? Same equal pronunciation if any employees are there, then displays. Yes, one employee is there. Or else, just you are passing SMIT, then also it displays. Okay. Then also displays. Means similar pronunciation. If any employee names are there, those are displays. This is a use of our soundx function, guys. But thing is, where you can use it if you take IRCTC website. Then if you try to find out from station to station, if you try to enter, I entered SECUN. I entered SECUN, I write down. Automatically corresponding which stations are there, all stations are coming. Similar stations are coming with the spelling, right or wrong? How it is backend they are using this one. Fine. Right? So these are the different types of functions are supported by our Oracle SQL. But right now here, what we discuss the functions, all are predefined, defined by our database, just to be learned, and we see the functionality. We see the functionality here, we see. Right. So these are the total Oracle predefined functions, guys. Next one is what the syntax of select statement. Syntax of select statement, guys. Select start or column list. From table name, where condition, where condition. Next to group by class, having condition, order by class. Right or wrong? This is the complete syntax of select statement. But general common syntax is self start from table name. That is a common universal syntax. Okay. Right, guys. Now, up to we know self start from or column list from table name, where condition we know, up to where condition we know, but we don't know exactly what is the group by class, having class, order by class. Group by, having, order by, we don't know exactly what it is. Okay. So these things we discuss now one by one. Okay, guys. Group by, having, order by. We know where condition to filter the data. Where condition. Having also similar, but we have some differences there using having class. Next one is now here we're discussing group by. Okay. Right. Before going to the group by class, first we did discuss select statement rules. Select the statement rules. First we need to discuss. After that, go to the group by class. Okay, guys? Fine. See here, anytime can you practice this type of query? Suppose select a star from EMP where sal equal to max of sal. Means my requirement is I want display maximum salary employee record. I want display maximum salary employee record. So select start from EMP where sal equal to max sal. Then what I think, yes, it displays maximum salary employee record. We are thinking orally, sir. But once you do the practically, you got error. Group function not allowed here. Where? In where class? This is one of the rule actually. Okay, na? Rule 1. What is the rule 1? Group or aggregate, both are same. Aggregate functions are not supported in where class. See one example. This is a rule 1. Not only max, min, sum, average, count, all are not supported here. Aggregate functions not supported. Okay. The remaining things we have, we'll discuss the coming session, guys. Okay, na? Fine. Guys, any doubts in the today's session, guys? Okay. All right.
Recording stopped.
Yes, Dharani, I can check and confirm. Okay. Lab assistance. Okay, Srikant, I can check and confirm. Okay.